Hi guys, so we have two winners of my giveaway license. However, she just one subscriber, so I asked her to give the license to other on my channel. So we still have one giveaway license. So the next live stream, I'm going to live stream anytime during this week to pick up one more winner for my Filmora9 lifetime license. Now I'm going to purchase the first license for her Sylvie Chaju, okay, and I'm going to record it, and then I will cover some information about her on this video. But now I'm going to my website. So this is the email address you want to use, okay, and here's the email address. And now I go to my website jackydeals.com. so be sure so jackydeals.com is my website. So it is a website where I put my discount coupon codes for software, so be sure to check it out if you want to purchase any software here on the internet, especially video editing software. So we can search for Filmora9. So here is the discount for lifetime. So actually I bought it, I posted it for August 2020, but it is still available right now. So we click on that. Okay, and just copy the code here and click the buy now button right here. And now we have the discount. Normally you have to click here to I have a discount coupon, and then you press Ctrl V and then you refresh. And then you have the discount. The discount is $14 and total price should be $55.99 for other country, but I don't know why. This is India. So we have GST, maybe some kind of text, and here's the information from her. I'm going to use PayPal, and then I click continue to check out.
A few moments later.
We have 60. Alright, so she successfully got the license. So now I will email her to inform her about the license. Okay, so hi Sylvie, your license is on the way. Send. Okay, so if you want to win the other license, the second license, giveaway license, just comment on this video. Use only one account. Do not use too many accounts. Leave your email below, and I will pick up the winner tomorrow. Okay. Goodbye and see you again. Thank you, Sylvie, to give another give a chance to another subscriber on my channel. Bye.